Hey guys, what's up? My name is Perla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing. I just finished doing my hair. It's been a long time since I've been up on YouTube, but I really wanted to do this because I got this huge box. I got my, what is it called? The deluxe box. I think that's what it is. So we're gonna just get right into the video. I was like, pues me voy a arreglar. Me llegó mi box this morning. I was like, you know what? You know, voy a hacer un video de unboxing, and yeah, get ready with me, I guess. Let's see what's in the thumbnail. Okay. That might be my thumbnail, guys. Alright. So there's esta madre, a ver qué pedo. Y a ver qué tenemos. I was gonna do my skincare routine right now, which I haven't been doing. As you can tell by my fucking face, that looks awful. I know, guys, bear with me. I've been under a lot of stress, and I know I haven't been on here yet, like for a while, because you know, it's been tough. You know, I've been busy being depressed and dating shitty men. So, but we're not gonna do that shit no more. Oh, it smells good. Is that a candle? No. Papers. So just open it. And then we got a little Boxy charm thingy. What we got, let's keep that at hand so that we can see what's up. And then here, right off the bat, I can see it's aromatic hand wash. Well, these are actually pretty cool. I actually do like this. This is huge as fuck, and actually I'm about to running out, so this is kind of perfect. We'll just set this to the side, ladies, or men, gentlemen, whoever is watching this video. I love, no way. Girl, I've been wanting to get one of these so bad. Good looking out. But it's sticky. I think it's because of that. Clean and shit. We're gonna definitely have to use this. We're definitely gonna use this. So let me open it and see what's up with our little look today. I don't want this video to be super long, but I mean, I don't know. I should probably done my foundation before. I might stop it and then do my foundation. But it looks like this. How did it flip? Oh, I see. Let's look at the color. Perfect. Dark brown. Perfect. And then this. What is this? Like? Oh, okay. Oh, I thought it was like a little brush. You know what I was thinking? That it was. That I really want. I saw this girl on TikTok do her eyebrows with it. But it's like a little like line. Like it's like almost like a low-key like eyeliner. Liquid liner. But it's like for this and like te da unos así como pues si parecieran pelitos and shit. It's actually pretty fucking cool. Anyway. Oh, more of this. Okay. Aromatherapy Associates, and from London. It's a body gel. Revive. Energize and awaken. Okay, I'm gonna try this. All right, let's see. And this was, let's see, this is a $46 value. Wow, that's expensive. Okay, what about this one? This fresh release aromatic hand wash. The first one I just got. That is, can you see? I can't even, it's not even on here. But oh, here it is. 25 bucks. Okay. And then next we have this. Avant hyaluronic. I don't know how to spell. Lactic something. This is great. I don't know. It seems to be a, oh, hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. We'll try that out. Okay. Next, it's all cleansing pumpkin glow. I can't even talk. What the fuck? Pumpkin glow facial cleanser. This is not. This is small. Okay. Superfoods. Should we open it? Let's open it. It's let's see how the fuck do you use this or what? I always have to read the directions because, and they're in every language except for, oh, here it is. Massage butter into dry skin and rinse with warm water. and apply it to a cotton pad and wipe gently over your face and eyes. Okay. Anyway, so we're opening this shit and we're not gonna, I just cleansed my face. My face is already pretty clean right now. Put my hair up a little bit. You know what? Aquí tengo una cosita que me pongo so that like for my face. Ahorita si la buscamos. Okay, and then, oh, and this is, I'm not even telling you the price of this video. It's like not great. Bear with me, guys, okay? I'm just doing this for fun. Okay, I'm not professional. Not a professional YouTuber. Okay, the Elmer's Superfood HA Glow Cleansing Butter is $38. It's a new launch. We'll check it out. And now that you guys know about that, I already cleansed my face and it's dry as fuck. Okay. Anyway, triple oxidants face cream visibly smooths wrinkles and prevents aging. Dr. Brandt. Okay. And this is for $64. Goddamn. Let's try that out for sure. Okay. This one I don't know if I told you guys the lip serum. That is $122. What the fuck? A lip serum designed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Oh god, that's expensive. Let's definitely gotta try that shit out. Alright. Excuse my language, guys. I'm a sailor. Curse a lot. Okay, there it is. Alright, this is cool. I like it. Did I show you already? Alright, moving on. Now, it's all sticky, guys, because that shit was falling off. Blush from NARS. I think, yes, it's all sticky because of the automatic hand wash. It's like was spilling in the box. Alright, let's see. We're definitely gonna have to try this too. So, with this blush, I don't know. I'll try the brow gel, but I'm gonna have to definitely do it with the, you know, I don't know what it's called. Brush. The little brow brush, because I don't like. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. That is very nice. Oh, you can see everything back there. Oh, that's cool. Okay, why am I whispering? I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna touch. Okay, I never cleaned the boxes. I hate boxes in my house. And then we have this big thing that I don't. The word woke cool steam eye mask. Oh god, I have a bunch of these. I don't have the time to wear them. I wish I had time, but I don't know. Let's see. The perfect spot treatment or on the go in your home. Place clear gels in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Place clear gels in microwave on low for 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, it's the different cool therapy and steam therapy. Oh, that's nice. Steam therapy removes a pair of cells. What? Remove a pair of heat cells from the packaging. I must leave. What? Or you can use it as a regular sleeping mask without inserting heal or heat cells. Say goodbye to puffy, tired eyes. That's nice. Okay. 1 eye mask, 1 hot and cold gel, and 3 heat cells. Huh. How do you open this shit? Oh, you're supposed to go like this. Okay, sorry. Let's go try this. This is the eye mask. Super cute. I'm gonna look so cute wearing this shit. I'm like, don't talk to me. I'm bougie. Do I look great? I can definitely see myself sleeping in this. Okay. And then, moving on. Steam session reduces dark circles and puffy eyes. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay. And this is the hot and cold gels. It like seems to be stuck. Oh, look at that. You put them in the mask. Like, see, mira. Pues sí, mira. Así, mira. Yo creo, ¿verdad? Me imagino, es lo que dice ahí. Esa madre, pero bueno. Los pones aquí, pero primero los calientas o los enfrías. No mames, no me digas que... Oh no, this is the gel from the... It was stuck on the thingy, but this is not spelling. girls. I think that might be it. Let me see. Let me check. One more sec. I think that's it. That is it. And that is it. Okay, well, I'll put everything to the side. Get rid of this big ass box. And yeah, so, I mean, let me do my foundation and then I'll try on the blush and the brow. Because what else? Oh, yeah, you know what? Let's try this. The Dr. Brunt with Pride. I Say I Love You. Triple Oxidant Face Cream. So, but first what I do is I do a little toner. And then I'm gonna do a moisturizer. I have moisturizer. Where's my moisturizer? Okay. Which this I got from, where did I get it from? Ross. It's literally lasted me forever. It's a rose toner. That's what I do first. And then I put it back in my little thingy. Waiting for the shit to dry. And then I do a serum, which today we're going to do the Embrace Skin with Pride and Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Nice. Let's try that. I have a bunch of these. I'm never going to run out. Like, I low-key been thinking, like, I need to unsubscribe for a little bit and maybe save some money. Because I have a bunch of shit. But honestly, like, the excitement that I get when I'm opening my fucking Boxy Charm box is just, like, it makes it worth it. I would have never bought a face mask. Whatchamacallit? Eye mask to sleep in. Like, I would have never done that. Or I would have known to buy it for my puffy hair. Or my puffy eyes. I wouldn't have done that either. I would have known. You know, so, anyway. It's just cool. I like it. How long is this video already? I don't know. I think it's done. Okay. It looks like this. Chingo. Don't do that at home. Oh. I'm gonna have to use that. Oh, because this is a lip one. Pendeja, I'm over here opening the wrong one. Alright. Let's do this first and then we'll do the lip one. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place. I can't concentrate. I haven't smoked today, so I'm having a hard time concentrating. I'm like, I think I low-key might have like ADHD. Oh, that feels nice. I can't keep fucking my train of thought. I'm like, what? I'm going from topic to topic and shit. Well, it is what it is. At this point, I'm already 32, almost 33. I don't think I could do much about it now. Besides, I think it's probably already part of my personality and shit, you know. That's nice. I like it. I like that. It feels more like a moisturizer, but I like it. Le doy un 10. Bueno, vámonos, next. Ahora voy a poner el moisturizer, pero voy a esperar que se seque esta madre. Y vamos a ponernos el... A ver, esta madre de para los labios. Dice... Usage. Smooth evenly over your lips as needed. May be used under lipstick or alone. Discontinue if redness or irritation occurs. Ok. Dice aplicar en los labios cuando sea necesario. Puede ser utilizado bajo el lápiz labial o solo. Ok, so yo creo que nada más se pone como lipstick, ¿no? Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, that's nice. Does this plump my lips? I hope so, because I fucking... This is like... I love that. I got lip injections like last year. I think it was like maybe even 2 years ago. Was it last year? 2 years ago. Ugh, gross. And no, pues no me gustó, la verdad. I got a full syringe, but I didn't like it. I was like maybe a half syringe, but I don't know. I think I like my lips like this. I think they're just little plump. And if this does the job, like that'd be perfect. Because I don't want them to look dull, you know? Just like a little bam. Así. cualquier cosita. Bueno, y luego que esta madre que hace aims to pigment, nourish and lips, plump and balance. Hopefully it'll plump. I have a bunch of plump and shit. What if I do like, I have like that one to put under, and then I could do like a couple maybe. Anyway, whatever, let's move on and put on my moisturizer. And then, perfect. So anyway, yes, I'm glad I'm back on YouTube. Should I do story times? Because I got a lot of fucking stories of my fucking time, of this time that I've been out, MIA. But yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna continue doing this shit and be on social media, which I absolutely fucking love. And yeah, all is right with the world. Everything, balance is restored. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I like all of this shit. This looks really good, really nice. I'm gonna put on my foundation, probably do a little makeup, and then we'll come back. Alright, so we're gonna continue with our blush from the Boxy box. Ew, my fingers are it's makeup everywhere. Alright. Salte, güey. Madre. Stay long. So I just use my blush. I'm gonna use my blush brush. Blush brush? Yes. Let's see. I don't know. That's a little pink, but it looks like shiny a little bit, kind of. What does it mean? That looks kind of hella shiny, but I guess I'm not mad at it. Let's see. I'm not really used to having like shimmer on my blush, and now I'm gonna do a highlighter, so that might be a little too much. What y'all think? I mean, I like it. Is this too bright? Not bright enough? Too bright. Okay. What do y'all think? I mean, I think I like it. Yeah, I mean, I'll definitely use it. Alright. I'm still gonna do highlight because duh. Okay. I got this one with Boxy box too. Little highlight. I'm gonna use this one. This is called Iconic London. Well, it's by Iconic London, I think. Okay, let's still do a little shimmer. Fuck it. One nose. I think that about covers that part. Okay, now. Ay, ¿qué me voy a hacer? Voy a hacer las eyebrows con este pencil que agarré. Ay, Boxy Y luego ya si quieres ser un poquito más mamona, como yo. Y así le así con mi brochita. Aquí, a ver si le puedo hacer la línea acá más. Y hoy no me gustan más naturales. No, hombre, quedó bien chingonas. No, qué naturales. No, ya me obsesioné. Ok. Ahí está. Está un poco mojada. Aquí. It's okay. Let that dry for a little bit. Okay. Oh no, I forgot I was gonna do some bottom. Just a little bit, así poquititito. No mucho at all. Es para que agarre tantito color aquí abajito y no se miren tan grandes las pestañas. Luego le vamos a poner tantitito del highlight que usé para aquí. Vamos a poner aquí tantito. Okay, I'm gonna add a little highlight right here. A little highlight right here. I like to do this anyway. If you don't, that's okay. Okay. Alright, a little mascara, ahora sí. Then we'll do the lips and we're done. Alright, I'm gonna do this light. I'm just gonna do this color. It's just basically my natural color. Y les voy a enseñar cómo lo voy a hacer. Les voy a enseñar que se saque esta madre. Try, motherfucker. Todo está padre, ¿no? Me gustó. I could tell the difference. Can you guys tell the difference? Comment below if you guys could tell the difference. Comment anybody. I know I'm so new, but this was like probably nobody. And that's it. Nada más lo único que hago. I really do like my natural lips. I even like the one before better. My actual natural lip. It was even better than this. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. I should have just left that. I'm gonna be fine. Okay. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.